After I posted this video, I got a lot of questions about how insulin actually helps glucose to get into cells. I actually loved this request. Can I translate from ChatGPT into Penguin Prof? You bet I will. It's really easy. It's the vocabulary, I think, that trips people up. So here we've got insulin and glucose in my little cartoon, and this pink thing represents the insulin receptor. This is a tyrosine kinase category of receptor. The key players in this story are these little guys. These are glucose transporter type 4 proteins. They're actually like gates or doors for glucose. We find them primarily in adipose as well as striated muscle. Where these little proteins are will determine whether glucose can enter a cell or not. So here it is. When insulin binds to its receptor, you're going to get a signal transduction. This will cause a whole cascade and it will amplify within the cell. I'm not showing any of that, but it ultimately leads to something called translocation. The storage vesicles will fuse with the cell membrane and those GLUT4 proteins are now accessible. Okay, don't click out. Here's a good analogy. Very simple idea. Here's a castle, okay, and the castle, as you can see, has no door. We're pretending that it's glucose that wants to get in. Now, doors for glucose are kept in storage inside the walls of the castle until a signal is received and the castle guards will come in and install the door. So in this configuration, with the door installed, the castle is now permeable to glucose. And in my little cartoon, that's what the door looks like. Okay, so insulin binds to the receptor. We get the alert of the castle guards. Those storage vesicles will fuse with the membrane and the GLUT4 transporters are now available and glucose will start to bind. This is actually an example of facilitated diffusion. As soon as the insulin is removed from the receptor, the signal transduction ends and those little GLUT4 channels will translocate back into storage vesicles in the cytoplasm. And the castle is impermeable to glucose again. And that's it. As always, I hope that was helpful. If it was, could you slam some buttons below? Thanks for visiting the Penguin Prof channel. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.